Welcome to English Podcast.
From Speak English with Ease.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speak English with Ease. I'm Aliana.
And I'm Jackson.
We are so happy to be here with you today. It's always a joy to share English tips with you.
Yes, Aliana, it really is.
And before we start our wonderful conversation today, please remember to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already.
It truly helps us a lot.
Exactly. Your support means the world to us. Thank you so much. So, Jackson, today we have a very important topic. We're going to talk about training your mouth and your mind for English. What do you think about that?
Oh, Eliana, I love this topic. It's something many learners ask us about. They often say, I understand English. I can read it, I can listen to it, but I can't speak.
Yes, exactly. It's a very common problem. Many people understand English very well. They know a lot of words, they understand movies, songs, videos. But when it's time to speak, it feels difficult. Why do you think that happens, Jackson?
That's a great question, Aliana. I think it's because they don't train their mouth. It's like knowing how to drive a car from a book, but never actually sitting in the car and driving. Your brain knows, but your body doesn't have the practice.
Yes, it's like your brain knows the answer, but your mouth doesn't want to say it. It feels stuck, maybe shy, or just slow.
Exactly. Our mouths are used to speaking our first language, so speaking English needs special practice.
That's a wonderful point. Our mouths are like muscles. Not like arm muscles, but they still need training.
Yes, exactly like going to the gym. If you want strong arms, you go to the gym and lift weights. You don't just think about lifting weights, you actually do it.
And you don't go to the gym once and suddenly have big muscles, right?
Exactly. It takes time and regular practice. The same is true for your mouth when you speak English. At first, it may feel strange, a little stiff, but with practice, it becomes easier.
So if someone knows many words but can't speak, it's not because they are not smart, right?
Right. It's not about intelligence. It's about muscle memory. Your mouth needs to remember how to form English sounds.
So what's a good way to start mouth training?
Oh, absolutely. One of my favorite techniques is called shadowing.
Shadowing, like following a shadow?
Yes, exactly. You listen to someone speaking English, and you repeat what they say almost at the same time or right after them.
So like an echo?
Yes, you copy their pronunciation, their rhythm, their intonation. You don't just say the words, you feel them.
And even if you don't understand every word?
Yes, don't stop.
Just keep repeating the sounds.
The goal is to train your mouth, not to be perfect.
What else can learners do?
Repeating simple phrases daily is powerful. It's like warming up your mouth.
Yes, simple phrases unlock your mouth. Phrases like, I'm ready, I can do it, let's go. Say them with emotion. Happy, tired, excited. Now this next tip is very important. Speak out loud even if you're alone.
Yes, your home is your safe English space. Describe your day. Describe what you see. Even simple sentences help.
Now let's talk about the mind. How can we start thinking in English?
Step by step. Start with simple words. Water, hungry, cold. Don't translate. Think directly in English.
English shouldn't be just a subject.
It should be part of your daily life. Videos, music, podcasts, apps. Surround yourself with English.
Consistency is the key.
5 minutes every day is better than 2 hours once a week. Small daily effort builds habits. Habits build fluency.
Your voice in English matters.
Yes, don't wait to be perfect. Be proud of your accent. Be proud of your voice. Communication is what matters.
And this is powerful. Your brain will follow your mouth.
So speaking actually helps the brain learn faster.
Exactly. Speaking is not showing what you know, it's how you learn more.
This has been an amazing lesson.
Yes, it truly has. Remember, everyone, practice a little every day.
And don't forget to subscribe to Speak English with Ease.
Leave a comment below and tell us one English phrase you will start using today.
We love reading your comments.
Thank you so much for joining us.
See you next time. Bye, and keep practicing.